In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut for PC in just a few simple steps. This is a great effect if you want to create a cool rewind moment, add a creative transition, or make your clip stand out with a cinematic feel. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure your project is already loaded. Once you're inside the editor, look down at the timeline and click on the video clip that you want to reverse. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to apply the effect to. After selecting the clip, look for the reverse option in the editing controls. You'll usually see an icon with two triangles and arrows circling around them. That is the reverse button. Click it once and CapCut will start processing the clip. Depending on the length of your video and the power of your computer, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, so just give it a moment to finish. While it processes, avoid clicking away so the effect can complete properly. Once the reverse effect is done, press play or preview the clip in the timeline to make sure everything looks the way you want. You should now see the video playing backwards smoothly. If you want, you can use this effect on short action clips, funny moments, or even to create a stylish before and after sequence. And that's how you reverse a video in CapCut for PC. Quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.